Hi everybody, here's a quick video on how I use the spectrum analyzer to create a projection line on the Euro USD 30-minute chart. Using FXCM, Historical Data Downloader, to create historic data. It seems easier than using the MT4 data and then deleting, because I'm trying to do a blind back test here. So I've downloaded it ending February 16th, 2019. So then I loaded the data into Timing Solution, and here it is ending the 16th. If I click this button, notice that there's no further future data here. Okay, next I clicked on the spectrum revealing fixed cycles button here and set this to metric time instead of bars. By default it's showing up as bars right here, price bars, but I want to go to time. Click calculate, and I've got a 1% detrended zigzag instead of the RPO that's normally here. Next, what I do is I select each of these peaks, then either touch or exceed the median line here. Forget that one. And let me pause it here while I do that. Okay, here we have it all selected, every single peak, starting with 5 hours all the way up through 80 days, 82 days. And that once you select a peak, it puts it down here. Then I click Selected button, and next click the Harmonic Box. And what's going to happen next is let me pause it here. Okay, I'm going to leave all of the settings like optimize and recalculate and the relative weights alone. Just letting the default settings happen here. Minimize this. Just to recap, I changed the target to time and used zigzag turning points with a 1% peak to peak or trough to peak percentage, using detrended zigzag. Everything else is default here. We'll put that curve up, and notice in the past it's hitting these peaks and valleys pretty nicely here, like really to the bar pretty closely. Caught that downtrend, and here it is. It only goes back 1 to 3 weeks in time, and here's the projection for the week that just ended. So just to bring up the MT4 chart now and mark out, go long at the open, go short at Friday 0200 or so to the end of the close of the session, and that netted 50, almost 50.49 and 7, so about 56 pips, and that's it. So I'll continue to post these on Forex Factory and see how that goes off into the future. Good, take care.